guys! Today, sorry hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. So, na-miss niyo ba ako? Yes? Okay. So, magagawa ko ng slime.
Can you show it first?
Oh no, it has a lot of...
Parang hindi yan.
So, here is it.
Pati niya. Parang hindi masarap na patis yan. Parang...
There's a lot of snow.
Then we're gonna put it stand. Here it is. So, we're gonna start to get glue.
What is it? Show them first. What is the blue one?
This one is the glue, activator.
Activator?
Yes.
Clear glue?
How about this one? What's this?
It's for the colors and the glitter.
Glitter glue.
Okay.
Glitter glue. So we're gonna start this. Oh, Mommy, can you read the instructions?
It just says mix the glue and the activator. That's it.
Mommy, can you open for me?
Ilang lagi.
Hindi lang.
Kasi hindi magkakasya dyan. Tawag mo papakita. Ayoko nagpapakita. Oh.
Hindi ko maano.
Just open it. Dun sa white one. No, just open it.
Hindi ko mabukas.
Bukas na yan. Tatapon na yan. Baliw.
Ay.
Or you can open it ng bigger. O sige, yan na. Okay na.
Then this one again.
It's just the same.
It's just the same activator. Oh. Ano?
Okay na?
Apo. Uy, stop.
Enough. Later again. And then you choose which one here.
I'm gonna keep it. What? How
What
do
color
I
is
put
that?
it? Purple.
Okay daw ito si Hailey. Buka to.
Okay. How does it look?
Here. Oh, it's there.
Then, what are you doing now?
We need some more. Oh, what's that? Hello.
Hoy, bakit nakakalat ka dyan? Uy, ilabas mo nga yung... Bakit ka pa mga gawin na?
Kasi dapat yata later pa yung activator eh. You put the activator right away. Okay, that's fine. You try mixing it.
Baka masyadong madaming activator.
It's not turning purple.
It will later. Just keep on mixing it.
It's going to magiging slime na siya.
Because
Huh?
I think I need some more.
No! Baka blue. Unti na lang blue.
Oh, see? It's starting to get slimy na.
It's
Sige,
purple.
keep on.
It's like purple. It's like purple, guys. I need some. This.
Sige, you want to add some more? Baka
Yes.
hindi na maayos. Sige, you put some more glue.
Hello? Stop na muna. Stop na muna.
Hayaan mo, okay lang yan.